I'm Ty with WTI, and you probably clicked on this video because you're in search of a scale that measures more than just your body weight. This is the FITINDEX Bluetooth Body Fat Scale. This is a great scale for anybody who is on a fitness journey. Simply insert 3 AAA batteries in the back and it seamlessly syncs to your cell phone. What I love about this scale is that it is able to measure not just my body weight, but also my body fat percentage, BMI, muscle mass, and as you can see, so much more. All of my information is stored neatly on this FITINDEX app, and it's kind of like a personal health assistant right on my phone because it gives me a comprehensive view of my health. It helps me to track my progress, set specific goals, and stay motivated. And that's my point of view.